how to buy Annikas pencil token. So this token came under the symbol of pencil. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check their community index. As you can see, they have 657 members there. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 10 hours ago and increased by 600% in less than 24 hours. Now this token, as you can see, came under this Solana network. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token from here and now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this our token, now click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down and you will be able to find here, so click on it. After that, you will be able to redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy pencil token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.